Hey, this is Derek with Gambler Spec with a little pro tip for you today. I've seen a lot of videos on the internet right now talking about how difficult it is to change the rear shocks on Crown Victoria. So I wanted to kind of show you how I did it, and I think it's probably the easiest way I've seen so far. So let me kind of show you the steps here. So step one, jack up your car. Step two, you're going to want to delete the entire body. So cut off every body panel that you have. That's just going to give you a little bit better access. And you would think that after you cut the body off, you'd be able to just get right in and hook onto those top bolts. Well, you'd be wrong. So one extra step you need to do, come back, get yourself an angle grinder and cut a couple of access holes here, okay? Once you got your access holes cut, simply throw your vice grips on the top, your 14mm ratchet wrench, and boom. That'll let you undo it till it gets all the way to the end, and you can't undo it anymore because the vice grip's in the way. Then what you need to do is climb under the vehicle, cut up the sides of the dust cover here, throw your vice grip onto the shaft of the shock, and then finish it off with an impact. So there you go. I think that's probably the way that Ford designed it. I'm not sure why I couldn't find any other videos like this online, but hope that helps. Have a good day.